Yeah, hi folks, this is Andrew S. Arrow. Arrow like arrowhead. Hey, I am US citizen. I am living here for the last 40 years. I come from India. I used to work in a bank over there, and then I come here and work in different industries and also work in a Bank of America here for 4 years, and then I become like an independent like an insurance agent with Metropolitan Life Insurance, and then after 2 years I become like an independent agent and also got a license for state of Texas. Okay, here I would like to tell people, okay, unfortunately or fortunately, we got Trump in office. His party he won. Okay, no doubt it's a good thing or whatever. Okay, he said he will set the economy better, stuff like that, bring the deficit down and stop the wastage, expenditure, fraud, stuff like that. That's a very good thing. But he's doing with the lighting like a very wild lighting like a style, to our trading partners and almost all over the world, because America is doing, I think, business with all the countries in the world at present, and especially our favorite partners like a Euro Union, like a European Union, and like a England, France, Canada, China, and Taiwan, and Mexico. So he is blatantly, arbitrarily putting a lot of tariffs. No doubt we have been suffering in the past, but like 4 years before, when before Biden, he was president also in the like a first term. Where was he? Why didn't he fix at that time? He spoke, but he didn't nothing. So now he's putting a lot of pressure on this country. Actually, he should talk to them first and tell them, you guys have been exporting a lot of stuff to USA, and we are losing. Our economy is going down. Our factories are going down. Employment down, and our deficit is going very high. So we need to bring in into the good position, so that both countries are like our trading partner, and we can enjoy the good economy on on their side or our side, but not like a very thumping like a wild and lightning effect. It is not work. And right now economy is like a dooming. The Treasury Secretary Powell was doing a good job for the last 3 4 years, bringing everything to good, because we got the whole world got a setback by the COVID. So whole world is suffering, and we have to suffer too. So he was trying to get us out of this problem, and everything was going better. And this guy says that he will fix the economy more better position, but he's not. He's winning. Right now, you see the all the markets are going down, bonds market and stock market, financial market, even the crypto is going down, And if he keep on doing this, believe me, the people are getting very frustrated with him. Even the Republicans are very frustrated at present. I'm very neutral guy, but if he keeps on doing this, it doesn't changes. Actually, he need to talk them and bring our partner to rope in. The keyword is open, ROPE dash in. Roping means that we understand the problem on both sides. We don't want like a too much fighting, like a war and stuff like that. Even war can be solved if the both parties agree that we have to work along, we have to live together. This is a world situation. It's not like a one country. Even in one country got a lot of power, weapons, but he's not going to stay forever. If there's only one country, it's different. But in the world, we got around 170 countries. Maybe very small country, but the top countries are like a good sized country, are like a 25 countries, and we got a big power opposite to USA, known as Russia. So we have to get along, work together, especially on the economic front, not on the land size. I mean, there's a land dispute that could be take time, and there's a fighting war, whatever. But economic disputes are different from the land dispute. So if he keeps on doing this, believe me, Republican Party will never win in the future again. And also, we people in the USA need one more party to keep the balance. And I'm going to start a new party soon. So right now I'm living in Beverly Hills, California, but soon I'm going to move to Houston, Texas. And if you see me anywhere driving on the roads, please honk me down for a sport. So I already wrote a letter to Trump today, and by seeing this message, you guys also can write a letter, or at least you can talk to your congressman and senate member in your area, especially if you are Republican. Talk to first them because they are in power right now. But if you're Democrat, you are already, I think, on their line to make your position to Donald Trump, which is good thing because without doing, I mean, like some sort of activities to protest Trump, people are doing no doubt, but we need to make it more faster. I'm like a neutral, but if there is a protest by Democrat, I will join them to support them till this guy changes. And it looks like he will survive his presidency, but maybe under the pressure, he will back down and he might resign, which will be a very good thing because he's not doing what he's supposed to do and what he promised. He want to do a very wild way, which will not work. Thank you very much for your time. Please follow me must. I'm going to put a lot of good tips like this because I got a lot of finance experience. I will putting a lot of good tips for everybody to how to buy cars, houses, big ticket items at low prices, and how to keep your credit top. And if you have bad credit, then I will tell you how to get loan. There are different ways, if you have low credit, if you go in the market to buy something, these people are going to ruin your credit further and charge you a lot of money. So I will tell you how to leverage out. Thank you again. Bye bye.